Good afternoon, traders. My name is Alpha, and this is the market recap for the week. Welcome to Alpha Trades. If you're new around here, be sure to follow the Discord, as I am promoting my trades here. Here's my trade that I did in the morning. I took an XPX put position, cost me $440. I took two positions actually. I sold one for 8.5 and another one for 8.6, making me a total of $830 around that range. I also called out lcrx call for September 10, 625, 7.9, cost me $790. I'm looking for a play around $2,000 to $3,000 profit. That is a play on the lcrx. It is a stock I really love to trade because it seems like it reacts to whatever the market is doing for the next day. Markets seem to do a recovery. lcrx did a recovery for the end of the day. That means that we will be on the uptrend for the rest of the week. At least that is my speculation and what has been working out for me for my previous years. I don't know why I began to talk really loud. SPX did an insane recovery today after doing lower lows. Well, not lower lows. Well, doing some lows on the market. It went down. I believe it was down like 0.3% on the day. Well, since yesterday, I guess 0.6%. Quite an insane play. I actually called it out perfectly on my timer. Here it is. I called it out perfectly, bouncing off this trend line. That was actually an accidental play, by the way. That is when I sold my SPX call. The only reason I sold was because I thought that was the linear regression. I thought that was the standard deviation line. I'm sorry. And it actually bounced down here on this trend line. So that is a lucky play, I guess I did. And a perfect play if you would have continued playing that day long. I thought that we were going to do a bounce off the day, bounce somewhere around here, and then continue to make lower lows. Remember, we still have the FOMC minutes, so anything can still happen. We might still see a down week. Still, S&P 500 is up 17%. NASDAQ is up 0.4%. And the Russell is currently down 0.91%. It seems like the market has not fully recovered yet, as we have not had the triple header yet. Currently, what I mean by the triple header is that the whole last week, we've been trading, and we either see the S&P 500 up and the NASDAQ down, or the NASDAQ down and the S&P 500 up. Usually for the futures, the VIX was currently up 15% at one point, and it is now down 4.3%. So that is a recovery on the volatility back to the downtrend. Where is Tesla? Tesla is a play I want to do. It got completely hammered today. I'm still waiting on this trade to bounce off this point. It is not there yet. It is getting very, very close. And I expect it to get there very, very soon. I did say that it was going to bounce back off. I do not know how low it's going to go. I do not think it's going to continue making lows. I do think that it's going to recover for the rest of the week until the SMA 200 line reaches somewhere around 690, 680 to 710 range. And then we will do a breakout off of the swing arm strategy. If you guys want the swing arm strategy, be sure to join the Discord and I could send it to you guys over. It is a think or swim private study made by a very, very smart trader. What else are we trading in here? GME made a recovery for the day. Surprisingly, 0.87 up percent. It was up, I believe, 5% up on the day. Yes, it was up 5% on the day. Unfortunately, it did a bit of a bounce back for GME. It was actually down on the morning, as you guys saw in my videos. AMC, surprise, up 6.6%. That is very, very surprisingly. It was down quite hard today in the morning. Down 0.3%, and it ended up at 6% recovery. I have no idea what's happening in the market today. Have no idea what the market is expecting. This could be a bull trap. So be careful out there. A complete bull trap, giving traders hope. Remember that Goldman Sachs did do a price increase on the S&P 500 to 4,700. So that is something we got to be looking out for, because they could be completely trapping us. They could be selling, and we're out here getting trapped. So be careful, protect your gains, protect your capital, and always be very, very defensive. On other news on the Discord, here are some free trades from unusual whales. I do pay for the yearly unusual whales. Roblox was a stock that has been featured quite a lot. Roblox volume trade has been quite good. I really like it. There was also a trade done for Roblox at the 90 call strike price for, let me increase the size, for 2.5 million in premium. So that is quite a bit. Also, ORCL. If you own stocks in ORCL, I doubt any of you guys own stocks, but we have a few premium players. They are selling puts. They are just playing their premium. The price will continue going up, whether it's slowly, whether it's fast. They are just playing their premium and they are trying to take that profit. Seems like their plays are quite far away, except this one. This one's quite far midterm range, I would say. But yes, these are two stocks that I will keep an eye out. If you guys want more featured stocks, free stocks from Unusual Whales, I do pay for the premium version. Join the Discord. I will be featuring more stocks that I think have good potentials. Other news, options trader, scalper trader made an insane SPY Lotto play for the day. SQ play and lcrx play as well. Apple play as well, which he was making a killing. His SPY play, he made, I believe, over 100% on that trade. He currently closed all the trades because he said that he doesn't trust the Fed anymore. Well, because the FOMC minutes are out soon, I believe Powell speaks tomorrow, and I believe the president speaks today as well. There's quite a bit of news coming out. Any catalyst could come out at any point and completely drag the market down for a day or so, or for a few hours. He's trying to protect capitals, and that's what we're all about. Trader number 3 called out Alex on, and a YOLO play. So yeah, if you're trying to join the Discord for some of those plays, go ahead and join the Discord. Something that I also want to talk about is that Michael Burry. If I could bring out my damn thing. Michael Burry has taken some positions on, where is it at? Is it not here? He is shorting the ARK, basically. I cannot find the picture I had. Oh, here it is. No, that is not it. Here it is. He is shorting the ARK. He has bought puts, 235 shares on the put side. He has 2.5 million shares on Geo. That is something I would be keeping an eye out. I have not even seen this stock before, by the way. I believe he is holding. So I do not know exactly what to expect here. I believe this is a retail firm, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't done any research on it. Geo stock. Yeah, Geostock is a Florida real estate investment firm. He believes in the real estate firm, I guess. He believes that it will continue to do the uptrend. I do see a plan as well on the upside soon. I don't know why I keep talking like this. Anyways, I think that is it for the recap. Gold is currently up 0.5%. Silver is up 2%. So that means that the Vale call might actually come in play. If you're looking for a play like this, Vale did a recovery. I'm still not very confident in a trade like this, but anything can happen. If you guys are looking for a bit of a Lotto play, here is something I would recommend. September 25th, September 10th, buy a cheap call. This was one I was looking at, by the way. I was looking, currently costs a lot less because the price has dropped quite a bit. September call, $61. It could bounce all the way up back into the trend line of $23. I would be looking to cut profits somewhere around $22.5 to $23. And that is a 22.5 play, $100, $23, $150 for $60. That is, I believe, close to 100% profit if you guys are looking for a bit of a Lotto play. If I was to take this trade, I would take somewhere around 200 price. Take three. I think I would take 3. I'm not really confident that much in the stock anymore. I think that it has broken down with the Fed tapering soon, or many rumors that the Fed is to taper. I do not feel confident taking this trade. Yet again, as I mentioned in the morning, we saw this same trading pattern happen quite a bit ago in February. then it dipped and it kind of broke down. It did kind of like the start, which it's actually doing again. It's somewhere at the start. And then it completely broke off the downtrend and made new highs. So we could be in for that exact same pattern as it has been somewhere around this bottom trend line, back where it started at the bottom side on the swing arm. So we could be making a breakout for the month, and then for the following few months, making new highs somewhere around 25 to the standard deviation line of 27. I'll say somewhere around 23 to 27 is probably more reasonable for the standard deviation line play. So Vale is a good Lotto play that I will be keeping an eye out if that trade is possible to do, which I say that it could happen in about 2 months. That is a 23 to 26% trade, 26 to 27 trade. Theoretical, it will cost you $65. If you were to take profits for this trade, 435, that is 100, I don't know, 435 divided by 65. That is a 600% profit trade to 27. Yeah, that is quite an insane trade. So if you guys are looking for a bit of a Lotto 2-month play, that is a play that I will be looking out for. I might take that $60 trade if I'm not kidding. I actually will take this $60 trade tomorrow. That is only $65, so it won't hurt me too much if I lose it all. I can always cut losses if we break below this trend line. I say we break below 19.9 and we go into the string arm strategy into the negative, then I will be taking my losses. So that will be 19.94 on the downside. 19.94 if we do the math, or if we look at the strategy, we'll be losing somewhere around $42 on this $65 trade. We'll save $20. That means we lost 60% on this trade, which is pretty bad if you ask me. That's why I'm saying this is a bit more of a Lotto play. If you're taking it long term, it can make huge plays, huge plays. And that is pretty much it for me. I believe I went over everything I've been looking over. There's nothing really I'm looking for a play for tomorrow. There is quite a bit of volume on the flow charts. So that's something I will keep an eye out. Ooh, Tesla, last minute play came in actually. Bearish play on Tesla, 8 million. This might be Michael Burry if I'm not kidding. This was actually a Tesla sell call. So they are selling their premium. I do not know what this player is thinking. I do not think Tesla on the downtrend is down, but gotta see what's to come. This is something I will actually update the Discord. So if you guys want to follow the Discord and see more premium plays like this, you guys are free to ask me whenever you guys want more premium plays. So be sure follow the Discord for more premium plays. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you guys tomorrow with the morning recap.